Airbnb's journey from humble beginnings to a global hospitality leader showcases a masterclass in business model validation. Founded in 2008 by Brian Chesky, Joe Gebbia, and Nathan Blecharczyk, the company aimed to connect travelers with unique lodging options while providing hosts a platform to earn extra income. This innovative idea required rigorous testing and validation to ensure its viability and scalability in the competitive market. The initial model was simple: charge a commission fee from both hosts and guests. The founders adopted a lean startup approach, starting with a minimum viable product (MVP) that offered air mattress rentals in their apartment. This allowed them to test the core concept without significant upfront investment. Early adopters provided invaluable feedback, highlighting both the potential and the pitfalls of the business model. This iterative process of building, measuring, and learning was crucial in refining their value proposition. Customer feedback revealed that there was a significant interest in alternative lodging options beyond traditional hotels. However, trust and safety concerns were major hurdles. To address these issues, Airbnb implemented features such as user reviews, secure payment systems, and a support team to build a trustworthy community. These measures were essential in validating the feasibility of the business and gaining user trust. Operational feasibility was another critical aspect that required validation. The founders had to ensure that the platform could handle transactions, conflict resolutions, and scale with increasing demand. They meticulously worked on the technical infrastructure, customer service protocols, and legal frameworks to support their growing user base. Each step involved testing assumptions, gathering data, and making informed decisions. Strategic partnerships played a pivotal role in Airbnb's business model validation. Collaborations with insurance companies, local governments, and tourism boards helped establish credibility and navigate regulatory challenges. These partnerships not only mitigated risks, but also provided a solid foundation for scaling the business globally. The ability to adapt and iterate based on real-world challenges was a testament to the robustness of their validation process. Airbnb's story exemplifies the importance of validating a business model through a structured, iterative approach. By starting with an MVP and continuously refining their offering based on user feedback and operational data, the founders were able to identify and mitigate risks early on. The success of Airbnb underscores the value of thorough validation in launching a sustainable and scalable business. In conclusion, Airbnb's validation journey was marked by meticulous planning, relentless iteration, and strategic adaptability. This process enabled them to create a trusted platform that revolutionized the hospitality industry. Aspiring entrepreneurs can learn from Airbnb's approach to business model validation, emphasizing the need for continuous testing, learning, and adapting to achieve long-term success.